Hello guys, welcome back to the Code Military, and in this video I'll tell you how to deploy your React app to Firebase. So guys, many of us get stuck while deploying our React app. We want to search for some free services on the internet, but we get stuck and so much confused. So in this video I'll provide solution to all your problems regarding deployment. Okay, so please watch this video till end, and I will tell you the very easy step-by-step clear cut processes how you can deploy your React app to the Firebase. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay guys, so now you can see my VS Code screen, and I've already created a React project called Image Resizer. Okay, so I will just demonstrate you like let me just show you what is the project is about all about. Okay, let me just run it. So I will write npm start here, right? Just press enter, and now you can see. Just give you a minute, right? So now you can see this is a code military image resizer project. Okay guys, so if you want the whole tutorial about this project, you can check out my channel in the playlist section. You can get the react.js project series, and there are various projects like react.js news project, and there is also a blog project in Angular, so you can check out and learn from these videos. Okay, and I will also provide the github link in the description section. Also you can go and check out and download the code from there. Okay guys, so the first step is to create our React app, and it should be working, right? So let's move to the second step. So second step of this deployment process is you have to go to Firebase, right? So just go to Firebase, right? And just write Firebase, go it. And the moment you go on the firebase.google.com, you will be directly logged in, because it is the product of your Google, right? So you are logged in by your Gmail. Let me just show you. This is my account, the code military, and I'm already logged in. Okay, so this is the second step. Okay, so now moving to the third step. The third step will be, and from this step onwards, all the steps will be done in the VS Code itself, so no need to worry. Okay guys, so just follow what I'm telling you, and your project will be deployed. Okay guys, so let's just go to this VS Code, and we have to install certain things. So let me just cancel the running instance, right? So write CLS for clearing the screen. Right? And now you have to install certain things. So for what we need to install is that we have to install the Firebase tools, right? So we'll write the command as npm I for install minus g for global, and then I will write Firebase. Okay, so I will just write npm I minus g. So I stands for install and minus g for global. Okay, guys. So Firebase tools, and just press enter. Right, it will take few minutes for installing the Firebase tools, but okay guys, so now you can see that our Firebase tools are installed successfully, right? So the next step is to log into Firebase, right? So just before that, I will just go and tell you about, like, you have to create okay, so just go to VS Code, right? So we'll write the command Firebase login, right? And just press enter here, and the moment you press enter, it will open the browser, right, for authenticating. So we'll just press give it permission, right? Yes. And it will ask for signing, and you choose the account, like let's say I choose this account. And please remember which account you choose for login to Firebase CLI. Just press allow. Okay guys, so now you can see that Firebase CLI is login successful. Just go to your VS Code, and you can see that success login is. Please note this, please take care of the email that you are logging to the CLI, because we are using that, going to use that same account, right? So the next step is to create a empty project on Firebase console. Okay, so just go to your browser, and you click Firebase console, right? Now you can go to the Firebase console, console.firebase.google.com, right? And just go here, right? And just log in with the same account that you are using on the Firebase CLI. Okay, so I'm using the same account, right? And now just create a project here, right? Just enter the project name, image resizer, resizer app, right? Image resizer app, and just click the check boxes. Just press continue, and then press continue. Okay, so you can check out your, since I want to get Google Analytics from India, so just select India here, and just I accept Google Analytics, like create project. Okay, it will take a minute, a few minutes for creating your project. Okay, this is the very necessary step, guys, because many of us just stuck in this particular thing, and just get problems, right? So first you need to create a project, empty project on this with the same account that we have all logged in on the VS Code, right? So just wait for a minute, it will just finishing up, right? So now you can see that our project is ready, and just press on continue here, right? So now you can see the base, like the dashboard of the Firebase console, right? You can see the dashboard of the project, right? So just go back to your VS Code, and we are going to do the next step. So the next step is to initialize our deployment process, right? So we'll just write CLS for clearing the screen here. Okay guys, so we'll write just like Firebase, but before moving to the Firebase, right? So we'll not initialize the project here, but we'll initialize inside the project, right? So we'll just change our directory to our project directory, right? So image, I'll write image resizer. Okay, just go enter, right? And now here write Firebase, right? So Firebase will, and it will ask for certain question, right? So which we will to answer, right? Are you ready to proceed? We'll write yes. Okay. Now it will give you certain options. That is the feature of the Firebase, and you have to select which feature you want to use. Okay, so we'll use we want to freely deploy our app, so we'll just use hosting feature, right? And in hosting, you have to select configure files for Firebase and hosting, and then for selecting this option, you have to press the space bar, right, and then press enter, right? And we are going to use the existing project, right, because we have already created the image resizer project. So we'll just press enter. Now it will give up option because just now we created a project here, right, with the same account, right? So when we log in with the same account to the Firebase CLI, it will give you all the names of the apps, right? So we want to use the image resizer app, right? Just press enter, right? So it will ask for a public folder directly, and we'll just write here build, because build folder, we are going to use the build folder, right? Because all the build files will be there. So I will just write build here, right? Just press enter. And configure single page app rewriting all, just press y. Okay, set up automatic build and deploy with github, just press n for now. And it will create a build folder inside, and you can see there is an index.html, but this alone will not work, guys, because there is no such build files. It will just a vague index.html. So what we will do is to move to the next step, right? So in this step we will just run build command, right? So just press cls here for clearing the screen, and you have to build your project, right? So npm run build. So guys, this is the command for building any React project. So npm run build, just press enter. And now it will just creating optimized build version, right? Now you can see that build folder contains so many files, right? favicon.ico and manifest.json, and it will take a minute for creating the build, right? So the build folder is completed. Okay, so now moving to the last step, guys. Okay, so the last step, guys, is to actually deploy our app, right? So how we'll deploy? We'll just write a command that is firebase deploy, and this is the main command, right? So firebase deploy. Okay, so this command firebase deploy, just press enter, right? And it will take a minute for deployment. Now you can see the message deploying to image resizer app, right? And deploying hosting. It will take a minute, just wait patiently. Okay, guys, so okay, so our app is deployed successfully. Now you can see here deployment complete, right? Just check this link out, and just I'll just copy this link. This is our URL for our project. Okay, just control copy, and just I'll paste to the browser here, right? Just paste it here and just press enter. Now you can see our app, right? I will provide this link in the description section. You can check it out there, and check out this cool project, right? So our app is deployed successfully. So thank you guys for watching this video till end. If you liked my video and if it helpful for you, you can go to my channel, you can subscribe my channel, the Code Military, and please stay tuned. Thank you all.